the dark of night, even when the sun don't shine. You and me gon' be here, babe, 'cause we shine, we shine. Either you and I, baby, we gon' make it to the end of time. This loving is forever, you should know by now. And I'ma always love you 'cause it's you and I, ooh, baby, you and I, baby, we gon' be here to the end of time. This loving is forever, you should know by now. And I'ma always leave you to the end of time. This loving is forever, you should know by now. And I'ma always love you 'cause it's you and I, ooh,
What up, everybody? This is D.D.P. and I'm your girl Ruby.
And I'm Charles.
And today we are.
Oh man, yes we got
exotic fruit. Mukbang, baby.
Taste these fruit, right?
Yes.
Let's see what it tastes like.
I'm kinda scared.
I know. I ain't never tasted that one of them.
I ain't never tasted none of these fruits because
But
I like fruits that I'm familiar with. Well, we have tasted one fruit, but it, not a bigger one. This one is the smaller one. It's I've never tasted a baby watermelon. Seedless,
well, okay.
yeah.
Well, we gonna see, y'all.
We gonna taste that.
And see, you know what I'm saying? Hey, today, our shout out. We gonna give a shout out right now. Not later on.
We gonna do it right now. Alright, so today's shout out is Vanessa Mathers Sanders. Yeah. So shout out to you, girl.
Hey, on our video. Hey, so we gave you a shout out today.
Right, and she always, you know what I'm saying, been a loyal subscriber, and she always look at all our videos and always, you know, comment something funny or, you know, tell us how about the video.
Yeah.
So we appreciate that, Vanessa. Thank you for tuning in and watching us.
Yeah. Hey man, look. Everybody go check out. Come on now. Go check out our last video. Hey, I was scared. I was there. She kind of got me, but I wasn't scared, you know me, but hey, go watch that video. Y'all won't see. Y'all won't see though.
A husband and prank, scare prank.
Hey, go check that out, man. That was a good video, but
man, I worked on that video.
Yeah. We got another video coming out.
We got another one coming out, you guys. So we're gonna do the seafood boil with the beloved sauce.
Yeah.
We coming with y'all on that.
We're gonna get that probably in a couple of days. In a couple of days, we're gonna bring that out this week, though.
Oh, because I'm a seafood.
This week.
Yeah.
So
love me some seafood, y'all.
Y'all be watching out for that this week.
It's coming out.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna give me some seafood. Yes,
So
Lord.
what we got right now, man? We got our wheel. Hey, if you check out our other video, our box opening.
Yeah.
We got this wheel in our box opening, and we've been waiting on this wheel.
So we decided to use it today.
We're using it today. It's a spin wheel. Got all our fruit on there. So all we doing just spin that mug.
To see what we gonna taste first.
Yeah. So
that's what we gonna do.
Yeah, and we're gonna cut that mug open, see what it look like, see what it tastes like.
Some of these words, don't y'all laugh at us. I'm trying to pronounce some of them. I ain't never ate these fruits. He ain't never ate these fruits.
Yeah.
We gonna eat these fruits together.
We gonna get them together and
let's get it cracking.
You gonna go ahead and spin that wheel? Yeah. We gonna go ahead and get started, spin the wheel.
Canary melon.
Canary melon, y'all. Hey.
What the frick?
We doing
Hold on.
We gonna find out.
I gotta look at which one it is.
We got these fruits, man, and but she got pictures of each fruit. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
So we can remember which one is which because we never had these.
We never had them before, so I'm sorry, y'all guys. I'm looking it up. I swear. Okay. So, I'm sorry.
What you had it for? Come on, man. Hey, but
y'all, it's okay. Okay. I got it.
I'm gonna spin this mug back to when we first spent this wheel. So we can have the name of the fruit.
I heard you guys. So let's give you the canary melon.
Yeah.
Here it is.
What the? Hey man, come on, look at this thing, man.
Boom.
What? Hey, we got.
I was looking for this thing.
Hey, how we cut this thing open though?
I don't know. You want to start in the middle?
In the
And
middle?
just, yeah, just go. And we got our cutting board right here, you guys.
Hey,
So
I'm gonna try to cut this move open, y'all.
I'm gonna let him do all the cutting because I
Like
ain't got
this?
time. Yeah, try it like that. I'm scared to. It's a canary melon. What is it? Comment down below if y'all ever had a canary melon. I don't even know what a canary melon is.
Easy though. That's like,
I don't know about this.
check that out, y'all. Hey,
It smells kind of sweet. It smells
yeah, smell.
kind of sweet a little bit.
All right, y'all.
All right, you guys.
To the side like that, y'all. Yeah. All right, cut this meal out. I ain't never cut one open, but I'm cutting it today. You know what I'm saying?
All right. Yeah.
Yeah. Look at you cutting out good slices. Where's mine at?
Touch your stuff or something. Look.
No, I thought he was trying to, cut it and then like.
Hold on, we're gonna try.
Oh,
it
okay, yeah, same time.
Same
Same
time.
time. No, you did not.
All right, y'all. Smell kind of like
Sweet type?
like honeydew melon.
I don't know.
I had honeydew melon though.
I've had it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Taste
This
like
is not
honeydew.
bad.
It tastes like honeydew too.
I've never had honeydew, so this is the first time. I like it.
Don't eat all this mug. Man,
We done found the new fruit. Hey, and
man, it's juicy. We got a lot of juice in here. Hey
I
y'all,
like it.
canary melon. Go buy one of these for real. Seriously.
If you ain't never tasted it, and this is our first time tasting it, I say thumbs up. What you give this? Okay, 1 out of 10. What do you give it?
I'm gonna get a 9.
I'm gonna give it a 9.
Yeah, cause it's good, man. Pretty good. Tastes like.
I'm very
It
surprised.
actually tastes better than honeydew. If you taste the honeydew melon.
I never tasted honeydew.
Yeah, but it's good though, y'all. Got that
Oh my God.
canary melon.
Yes.
Go try that, man. Go try it for real.
Yeah, we can explore that.
Yeah.
Grocery shopping, here we go.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys. All right, I'm gonna let my husband spin the wheel.
Let's spin again, y'all.
Teamwork.
Dragon fruit. Pomegranate. Hey, I heard of pomegranate. I just ain't never really tasted it. I've tasted the juice.
pomegranate?
I tasted the juice before.
Make sure that's it.
Oh, Lord.
That's it. I know that's it. Okay. Yep, that's it. Oh no, that's mango.
Hey,
Hey,
we gonna get it. We gonna get it.
I'm sorry.
Hey,
Stop it. Pam.
this is a pomegranate.
That's a pomegranate.
This is a pomegranate, y'all.
That's why y'all know we ain't never ate these.
Yeah, hey, bro. We gotta look this stuff up, man. Because, hey,
Go figure.
all right, y'all. I'm gonna put these moves down.
I don't know about that. Okay.
All right, y'all.
It's a little hard.
You want to finish?
Yes.
You want to see it inside?
No.
You want me to finish?
Why you doing that for?
I'm
Cause if it's
just
something
saying.
nasty, I don't want to see the inside of it.
You ready?
Yeah. What the heck? Why is it bleeding? It's bleeding.
You ready for this? You gotta
No,
try
that's
it.
blood.
This is not blood and juice. I don't have pomegranate juice before, but I never tasted the fruit. Look at that.
Why is it bleeding though?
That's not blood.
You sure?
Okay, y'all.
Fruit bleed? No. Talk about it. That won't even cut, bruh.
It will, bro.
My husband be looking crazy. That ain't even cutting right.
Hey, first of all,
Is that how you cut it?
do we supposed to eat the outside?
I know we supposed to eat it. Are we gonna die? No.
Hey, okay, y'all.
No, come on now. You supposed to eat the seeds?
I don't think we're supposed to eat seeds, but I ain't eating
How do
seeds.
we-
Even we
can
supposed
we
to
look
seeds,
it up and
I
see?
ain't eating it. You can eat it. I'm not eating seeds. Okay, y'all.
So you going over here?
Here we go.
Splashing. It's still some more in there.
Maybe we supposed to eat the seeds.
Hey, come on now, stop playing. Yeah, it's
Okay, here's a little piece of. I refuse to eat the seeds. So I don't. Hold up, these seeds kind of soft.
Is it? They like water. I mean, stuff popping out of them.
You know you supposed to eat the seeds or not, y'all. But
We should look this up before we even try it.
But I'm not eating it. I'm
Okay, you try it and tell me how it tastes.
Okay.
Ew. This girl won't be trying
Man,
that.
you can stop playing.
What? No, because it might. What?
Tastes like wood. But for real, you gotta see it. Man, come on, man. They wrong for this.
What is no?
I'm gonna let you taste this piece right here.
I just take your word for it.
No, I want you to taste it because they wrong for this, man. Just taste it. It tastes like wood.
That is bitter.
Who gonna eat this? It tastes like wood. Man, I
Maybe
don't know.
we supposed to be pomegranate, supposed to be eating in a certain kind of way. I don't know, bro. I'm just saying,
Ain't no
like,
way you eat this, y'all. For real though. I ain't eating this crap. Hey, this.
okay,
That's
so
it for the pomegranate, y'all. That's it.
so what do you give it?
I'm gonna give this mother a 0.
I'm gonna give it a -0.
That's crazy. It tastes like some wood. That's what it tastes like. I don't know if we eating it wrong. I don't
We
know.
might be eating it wrong. Comment down below. Let us know if we doing this wrong.
How other way can you eat it though? You know what I'm saying?
I think we're doing it wrong.
Unless you eating the seeds. You know what I'm saying?
Taste the seed. Ugh, in my mouth. I'm gonna do this for the. I'm gonna do this for the.
Oh, you gonna do it?
I'm gonna do it.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna do it. I ain't doing it no more. I ain't doing it no more. I ain't doing it no more. It just the juice from the seed don't taste that bad, but it's something hard.
No, I'm gonna pass. I'm pass on the pomegranate, y'all. The pomegranate,
-0. He gave it a 0.
we're gonna pass, y'all.
All right, so this going in the trash.
All right, y'all. We're going to the next.
One. All right, next to the next spin.
Your swing.
All right.
Oh,
Maridol.
Maridol papaya.
Papaya.
Maridol papaya, y'all. Hey.
Which one that was?
Oh, man. You should have wrote names on these movies. Hey,
I found that.
I'm just saying.
Hold on. I think it's pregnant with babies.
That's what it is.
Yes, I found that. Maridol papaya.
Wow.
I hope we're saying it right. If we're not saying it right, I'm sorry. Comment down below how to say it
Check it
right.
out, y'all. And I don't know how to cut this movie.
Ah, horse
So,
shit!
I don't know how to cut it.
I wonder what kind of fruit, like,
I guess I'm gonna cut it in half then. What you think? Cut it in half?
yeah, but I'm just kind of scared. It's kind of, remember when we picked it up, it was like weird.
Kind of easy. That one went right in there.
I hope I ain't allergic to none of these fruits. Oh, come on, bruh.
Nope.
Hey, what is these fruits fruits. I'm telling you, man.
I can't do this.
Well, I'm not eating them seeds. I don't care what nobody say.
They're like little babies.
Why do they do this? I'm gonna taste this one though.
They're like little babies. I can't do it. Hey, just don't get by the fruit, man. Oh my God.
Yeah, check it out, y'all.
Why is it looking like this? Oh man. Damn.
Alright, I'm gonna cut these little seeds.
Yeah, cut the seeds out, but I ain't touching no seeds.
Alright.
It's too like you.
This is right here.
Oh, that ain't for me. No, you can break a piece off of that off. I'm not gonna eat that whole
Oh,
thing.
yeah, I'm gonna cut this for me right here. I'm gonna cut this one.
Well, why we can't just cut it in half?
We gonna taste it. If it's good, you don't want that mug. If it's good, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, it smell like.
Same time.
Oh my God, it don't smell good.
Same time. Hold up.
Yes.
I ain't smelling it. I ain't smelling it, y'all. I don't care. I ain't smelling it.
No.
She shouldn't say that. I ain't
Smell
smelling
it.
I'm gonna hold my breath.
It smell like breath. Somebody's breath like morning breath.
Alright, you gonna smell it.
You smell it. I smelled it.
I ain't eating this crap. This ain't no fruit. Man, this ain't no fruit. Man, what is this crap, man?
Why it smell like? It smell like what? Like somebody's morning breath? I don't know.
Man, ain't wrong, man. With this fruit, man.
I'm over here cracking up, y'all.
Alright.
My sense of humor is too much.
If I throw up, I'm telling you.
Okay, you eat it first.
At the same time, no. You ain't finna get me. I'm cutting a little piece off like that.
Give me this. No.
Same time.
Nigga, why you gonna do the same time? I see how you look, man.
Hey, y'all. This gonna smell like some
Breath.
charcoal and breath together.
What the? Okay. Alright, okay.
1, 2.
I can't do it, bro.
Hey, it smell like some wood and some, I don't know, charcoal burning.
Okay, come on, we got to go.
Alright, come on, alright.
Alright.
1, 2.
Don't play, baby. Make sure you put it in your mouth for real, though.
Now, for real, come on, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
I don't know. I can't tell you. I taste the apple. I taste that. It's an aftertaste in there somewhere. There's some dirty. Nah, dude.
So that's some dirty what?
Dirty something, man. It's got a dirty neck. It's got a dirty aftertaste. You don't taste that?
Y'all can have this. Yeah, it's an aftertaste.
It's like a dirt, some kind of
When
dirt.
the first time.
It's good.
Some dirty sauce. I don't know what. I ain't saying no dirty sauce before.
I ain't taste it. I ain't not saying it.
That's what dirty sauce tastes like.
What the? That left a nasty taste. All right, you guys. Come on now.
What's some name it is? Morado,
Maridol, papaya.
No.
Don't taste this. What you giving this?
0.
Another minus 0. It's not a nasty. All right, you guys. We finna spin this.
Back to it.
Don't get that.
So,
I'm sorry, my face was first
come on for the
one.
dragon fruit. See what it tastes like. I told you. But
He said dragon fruit.
the champ is here.
Man, that's the other taste, man.
For
Y'all,
some reason, let me tell you something.
which one do we do this? Merle
All the fruits out there,
ain't for everybody.
this is the highest fruit that
Hey.
we've seen that we bought.
$6.
Why? So, I'm gonna cut them up.
Man. That's why I don't trying new stuff.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Hey,
I just want to like trying new stuff.
we're gonna try this dragon fruit today. Hey, do you?
This thing, it costs $6. But
Outside of it or just inside? I don't know.
I don't even care right now.
But we could try it,
I can't do it.
Why are you looking like it? Alright, that's your head.
You be trying to get people hell.
Alright.
I didn't be trying up for this. Look, come on now.
It smell like
Can you pick it up?
some trees. I mean, some leaves or something.
No, bro.
You ready? On count of three. Count of three, y'all. 1, 2, 3. What you doing?
On you.
Man, same time.
Okay.
Same time.
All right.
1, 2,
2, 3.
Oh my, oh shit, motherfucker.
Who is making these fruits? Who put these fruits out for sale? It tastes like,
I didn't like that at all.
it tastes like some
It left
bittersweet grits. Like grits aftertaste.
You know what it tastes like to me?
Say-
Now you know how you little and you outside and you probably eat a piece of grass. I mean a piece of grass. I don't know. But it brought back a memory that I don't think I want to taste.
No, man, I wanted to taste this dragon fruit. It don't even taste good, man. This thing costs
$6 for one.
one little piece of fruit.
Maybe we eating it wrong. Maybe it go into something.
No, we ain't eating wrong.
Just
I don't
saying.
even want no more. It's just crazy. Like, we done with this dragon fruit. We're going to the next fruit, y'all.
Look at my face.
That's crazy. I'm going to give it a 1.
I'm giving it a 0. A freaking 1.
Alright, next fruit, y'all.
Disgusting. They ought to be ashamed of themselves. Alright, you guys. Seedless watermelon.
See this watermelon, y'all. It-
Watermelon is my
It
favorite.
ain't what she think I bet it's not what she think.
You don't think so?
Nope.
It's a baby watermelon.
No. Wrong.
It's a baby.
Check that out, y'all.
Don't cut him.
See this watermelon. We're
Don't
gonna
cut
cut it up
him.
and see what we get out of it.
You gotta stab that guy, baby. Oh, he's a baby. Just a baby. He's red inside. It's supposed to be seeds.
It says see.
Seedless. That don't taste like no watermelon. I mean, smell like it. I mean, don't smell like one. That's a seed!
Hey, it's a seed in there.
They lie! Show them the seed.
There's a seed in there. Come on, man.
Seedless watermelon magatui. They lied. It's a.
What watermelon?
It's good. It's alright. I ain't gonna say it's good.
Yeah, it's not not watermelon like regular water. It's something about it. I don't know.
Something different. This don't taste like a regular watermelon. Like, I don't know.
Alright, y'all, we do this watermelon.
Alright.
The seed is watermelon, so we do
They
this.
lied. I found the seed.
We found the seed, so
Liars.
on to the next one, y'all. Alright, y'all, I'm finna spin the wheel. See what I come up with. Mango.
Mango.
Uh-oh. Oh, the mango got taste out of it. Come on, y'all.
Mango.
This the mango?
Yeah. Because the other ones is weird. Like,
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna cut this one over.
please
Y'all ready?
let this be good. Put a seed in the middle. Cut that move.
It's a seed in there.
Is it?
It's gotta be. Mango, y'all.
You don't taste like that?
Yeah. You don't taste mango before?
Ain't that it's the, I don't know, it's the,
Mango, y'all.
yeah.
Something in the middle. color mango. So.
No.
All right, we gonna taste it, y'all. Taste it.
I don't like how it smell. Why does everybody smell funny?
Like on firewood or something.
It do. Like some kind of, incense or something. Man, maybe we got the bad fruit of the bunch. I don't know. Maybe, I just don't know, y'all. I'm just don't.
We gonna taste this wood though. 1, 2, 3.
I ain't never taste mango then.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
The best mango, it tastes like some kind of perfume. Maybe somebody sprayed perfume up in it.
Bruh.
I swear for God. Bye, mango. You're out.
Mango.
Okay, let's go.
Chill.
Give it another spin.
How many times we gotta sing this word? Next time, what is it called? Hawani?
Kiwana Milling. Kawana Milling.
Oh, Hawano milk.
Kawana Milling.
Let's try it, y'all.
The one that been sticking me all night, man.
Hey, man, this wood is sharp too, man.
Yeah, because it's been sticking me all night, man. I was like, come on now.
Look at this stuff, man. And it's sharp. The heads are sharp. They don't look sharp, but they are. Hold on.
I done got something's gonna make my stomach. Y'all. I just say, what is that coming out of it?
No, I refuse to try this.
What is it, Lord?
I am not trying this.
What is it, man? Come on now, what is it?
I am not
Baby Jesus, what is it?
supposed to eat this. I'm not eating this.
Baby, you got to.
No. Look at this.
You got to.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna cut the pieces off.
Lord, do not have my stomach messing up tonight.
All right.
Why you keep sliding it slowly towards me?
Like a pickle.
It's what it looked like, man. I don't know.
Why do you smell like leaves and fresh leaves or something?
Like some outside, one of the
Yeah.
leaves on the bushes outside.
You ready to do it?
I got a slight headache.
All right, y'all. We're gonna try this movie. 1, 2, 3.
No, man! No! No!
There's a pickle. Who made this fruit?
Why did people try it?
Who did this? I don't know why they could picking these fruit.
Kawani! Kawani, no!
I think it's the way it look, cause it's cold don't taste good. And I'm not eating them all. I refuse to eat some more. I'm done with this. I don't know what's the name of it.
I'm about to call Kawani.
Kawano.
Kawani, no!
We done. We're gonna spin it a little, see what we come up with.
We only got 2 left, you
We
guys.
got 2 left. Alright.
Octofo.
Mango.
Mango.
Let's get it.
Octofo.
That's it.
Yeah. Let me make sure.
Yeah, we gonna make sure this is it. It's kind of soft too. I don't know.
That's gotta stop. Yeah, that's it.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna cut it right on over. There's something in the middle of this mug too.
I can't do it no more, Lord.
It's something in the middle too. I swear. It's like a bone up in there.
Can do it more.
I'm not-
What is
Cut this.
Don't cut cut it, man. Just something. Don't cut it. Don't cut it.
Y'all, look what we got. Go.
I ain't gonna lie, y'all. These different fruits is making me queasy.
Alright.
Damn, smell it. Man.
What's the name of it?
Oh my God. Nope. Jesus. Nope. Smell it. I would not put that in my mouth. You can eat it, but I am not gonna do it. No. That is something I refuse to put it in my lips.
Are you freaking kidding me?
I'm not gonna do it. I'm not doing it for, I don't care.
Who's doing this?
I love you guys, but
Who is doing this? Who is doing this? Alright, y'all.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you one little piece of it. We bought these foods for y'all. Take do this little thing, and I'm gonna do it.
baby, don't eat that fruit. I swear for God, don't eat it. I just told.
It's not good.
What do it taste like?
Oh, it's just like. No, the aftertaste is bad. The aftertaste is bad.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
I ain't never smelled nothing like that from.
Alright, we done with this too. I don't know
what that is.
Also,
We don't even care what it's pronounced because it's awful
Hey.
mango. It's awful for mango. Awful.
And you don't want to taste it. Trust me, you don't want to taste it. This thing. I don't know who's picking these fruits and sell them, trying to sell them, but they crazy.
Oh. Okay, the last one, you guys, is a golden papaya.
Yeah.
Please let it taste like fun. Man, if it smells fun, that's probably why I got a headache. What is that, a small one in it? What is it, a baby from that one?
I don't know what.
Baby, that's the baby one. That's gotta be the baby.
I don't know, but
I'm not eating that mess.
here goes nothing.
Be the OG, because I'm not doing it.
The baby one.
It's gotta be the baby, because that's the mama over there, and the mama stink.
Go.
I'm not eating this crap.
Mama, come on, you didn't taste the last one. Come on, man. You gotta taste it.
Smelling this stuff, it'll kill you.
Alright, y'all.
I'm glad he having a good time, because
On y'all three, y'all. God damn it! Who? This is not fruit.
I'm not having a good mukbang. Exotic fruits. I'm not having a good mukbang with this.
Alright, y'all. Let's just go and taste it.
Man, all this stuff going
1,
trash.
2, 3.
Nope.
I'm done. I don't know who is picking these fruits. What the freak is that?
I get this as -0, 0, -0.
Minus 22 zeros. Who
Yeah.
did this? Alright, we done. We done. Alright.
So the winner of this freaking the one I like the most, and I'm gonna go buy some more of. It was the first one we
Yeah.
the first one was the what was it, canary melon.
Yeah.
That's fine. I say go try that. The rest of this crap, don't go try it. Don't spend your money on it. Don't waste your money. Take it from us.
Smash.
It's disgusting.
Yeah, and the smell is just.
The only thing gonna survive this is the canary melon and that watermelon we're gonna put in there and let it get cold. And if that tastes nasty, that's going in the trash too.
Oh. So, alright, y'all.
I enjoyed this video though.
We made it to the end of the video tasting these fruits.
Right.
And hey, don't forget y'all, man, to like,
Comment, and subscribe.
man, to our channel, the D.D.P fam. And hey y'all.
Alright guys, we enjoyed making this video. So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.